Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Kicks 2 Heat. As you guys see right here, I do have a package. I'm gonna be opening this up and showing you guys what's in it. So before I do start, I just want to let you guys know my link is down below. Subscribe, comment, and like down below. Thank you so much, and let's get this going. Let's get this going. Perfect. So what I'm gonna start off by, I'm gonna open this right up. So I'm just gonna open this right up. Perfect. Let's see. I'm excited to know what it is. I have a couple packages on the way, so I don't know which one this one is, but we shall see, huh? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up. Perfect. Oh, okay. I see it's one of the shoes. Okay, sorry about that. My video did stop, but let's get this open. Perfect. All right. So I see we do have a box in here. Okay. Oh, Nike. Wonder which Nikes these could be. So I'm gonna put this box out the way real quick. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So we do have a Nike box. Let's see what's in it. I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, okay. So we get in there. Perfect. Let's see. What do you guys think can be in here? All right. I'm gonna open it up. 1, 2, 3, and let's see. Oh, it's not there yet. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Let's try this again. Oh, look at these. Ooh, these are fire. Just to let you guys know real quick, these are called the Heritage ones. They did come out recently. As you guys see, they come with black laces. And not only that, they come with white laces. And not only that, they come with red laces. Wow, we got a lot of laces in here. And I just want to give you guys an idea real quick. This shoe right here was very slept on. I only paid $101 for these. And look at these. Such a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I like it with the black. I wonder which shoelace I should rock it with. Give me some ideas, you guys. Should I rock it with the red? Should I rock it with the white? Or I could do them both. White and red. I could do black and white. Look at these, though. These are such a beautiful shoes. Just look at the genuine leather. That's very nice right there. Looks very well put together all around. I want to give this shoe a 9.5 out of 10. Nah, let's make it a 10 because this is a beautiful shoe. If you guys like ones, I would definitely look into these. I know they do crease easy, but that's why I use crease protectors. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys real quick what came into the mail today. I love opening packages and I love showing you guys what's in them, and I love being as surprised as you guys. And yeah, this is the Heritage ones right here. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be back for more videos. Peace.